what we just bought. This is the TubShroom, and it catches hair while you're taking a shower. How perfect is this? And it's also in stainless steel, and it fits drains from 1.5 inches to 1.75 inches. And it also comes with adapters too, just in case it's slightly larger or smaller. Let me show you a close-up of what it looks like. Here's a close-up of the packaging, and it's very easy to install. And this is what the back looks like. They've also given you adapters as well, perfect to fit different size drains. And here's a close-up of what the TubShroom looks like. It has a nice stainless steel construction and mesh throughout, and this is what the bottom looks like. Now, they've already included a 1.75 standard adapter, and they've also given you an extra one as well. And in case you have a smaller 1.25 drain, this is the adapter for that size. And if you have a larger 2-inch drain, they've also given you an adapter for that as well. And this is so simple to install. All you have to do is insert the TubShroom in the drain pipe opening. It's designed to stick out of the drain by about 1/2 inch for optimal water flow. After several showers, you may remove the TubShroom and wipe off the collected hair with a towel or a tissue. And if your bathtub comes equipped with a stopper, it can be removed before placing your TubShroom in place. And now, let me go install it. That was so easy to do, and it works so nicely. Thank you so much for watching, and hope you found this video helpful.